Hey, it's Eddie from Priority. So one morning, I was packing my flat repair kit, as I often do, think about all the stuff that I need just in case something went wrong on the bike, I had an emergency and needed to repair something. As I was trying to fit everything in there, I realized, well, shouldn't we put all this in one place? So that's where we got the 174 Hudson multi-tool. Let me take you through the functions of the multi-tool. Phillips, 4mm Allen key, 5mm Allen key, 6mm Allen key, 15mm wrench, tire lever. This will work on all your axle nuts. Really important to have with you if you get a flat or need to take your wheel off. So this is on most stems, most of your headsets, just in case you need to make a quick adjustment. If you're a Priority owner, whether you're on your Coast, Classic, Apollo, 600X, you're probably going to need one of these at some point. Even if you're not on a Priority, this is a great tool to have for those convenient, quick fixes out on the road, and it has everything you need.